Let's see the view, guys. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू अ न्यू वीडियो फ्रॉम द क्रेडिट कार्ड एंड ट्रैवल एक्स चैनल। आज का वीडियो काफ़ी ही अलग और एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है क्योंकि मैं लेके आया हूँ आपके लिए द होटल रूम टूर ऑफ अ स्वीट रूम बुक्ड एट द रेनाइसेंस होटल इन पवई मुंबई। सो गाइज, हुआ ऐसा कि मैंने एक बेसिक नॉर्मल रूम बुक किया था फॉर 3000 रुपीज़, बट जस्ट बिकॉज आई हैव अ प्लैटिनम एलीट स्टेटस विद मैरियट बोनवॉय, they upgraded me to a suite room. Of course, I had to ask for it, and well, for you guys, I had to record this experience. The experience was just too good. The view was amazing. Without further ado, let's get into the video. And before you go ahead, guys, अगर वीडियो पसंद आएगी तो please give me a like and subscribe to this channel. So this is the hotel lobby, the front desk. It's really well made up. Let's head to the room now. Here we are, guys. Is the room tour for the Renaissance Mumbai, which is in Powai, and this have been upgraded to a suite room. Let's start towards the left. You have this coffee maker here, 6 bottles of water, a few tags for the door. Now this washroom is basically only for the living room. So they have 2 washrooms in this room. ये जो है ये एक work table है in the living room. The decor is pretty good. A big ass sofa. Nice big TV. So if you have the next room, तो आप इस door से उस room में access कर सकते हो. Now wait for this one, guys. Look at the view. Oh my god. This is just amazing. And the best part is मुझे ये पूरा रूम मिला है only for 3000 rupees per night, guys, inclusive of all taxes. Let's enter the bedroom now. This is how the bedroom looks like, guys. Let's explore more. You have a side table with the lamp, nicely made up bed, again a big TV in the bedroom. I've got view from the curtains here. Again the same view from here. Have a look at this. This again is just one section to just chill. A full length mirror. Temperature control. You've got the wardrobe here. Renaissance branded slippers. Now, let me take you to my favorite part in this hotel room, which is a suite room that I got upgraded to because of my Marriott Bonvoy elite status. It has to be the washroom, guys. Oh, it's massive. Have a look at this. 2 wash basins, a bathtub, again a mini closet here. This is the washroom. Look at the size of this one, guys. Isn't it just too good? Towels, hair dryer, the whole dental kit and creams. So there's this one more thing that you guys need to know. Since I'm a platinum elite, on checking in, they gave me a complimentary bottle of wine in my room. That's just one of the benefits of being in platinum elite. This is assorted nuts to wine glasses. Isn't that just great, my friends? So that is it guys. With this I end my hotel room tour at the Renaissance Mumbai Powai. अगर आपको रूम पसंद आया हो, if you like this video, give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment in the section below how do you like the room, and अगर आपको कोई भी query हो like how to book such a room, how to get upgraded, let me know and I'll be happy to help you guys, and I'll see you in another one.